Now they have the case here. He just said because if the serving soldier, we can't be doing this to him. But now I've confirmed that it's original fake.
I'm from Niger State.
Where do you live?
I live in Kotoko Barrack, NDA 2 battalions.
Are you a soldier?
No.
What are you doing there?
I'm the barrack boy. My father is soldier.
Your father is a soldier. So why are you like this?
My brother is soldier. They posting him to our barrack, but in there they shoot down for notice. In there on medical for 44 hospital. I come wear in uniform to go toll gate and do escort and follow some our soldiers. They are stay for our barrack. I will go do escort.
You do escort? Escort for who?
I do escort for car, trailer.
Trailer? From where to where?
From toll gate to Cow One Deep.
Anyway, the message here is that when you go along most of our major highways, you see them by the roadside. They are on illegal duty. You can even see this one is not a serving soldier. It's a fake soldier. So, members of the public, take note of this. Don't jump at them when you see them. Don't embrace them. And you think you have seen your friendly forces. He's a fake soldier. According to him, we are going to do proper investigation with the Nigerian army to know who the brother is or who the father is, so that we can do a proper. But the message is not all of them you see on a camera like this, or police uniform, or military attire that you think they are genuine officers. Always profile them before you deal with them. They do escort for reasons known to them. I don't know what they mean by escort. And that we are going to do more on that. From the Nigerian police force, from the military, we are going to do more on that and stop that menace of uniformed men escorting goods. Why do you need to look for escorts when you are conveying genuine consignment? Definitely, those who look for escorts, they carry illegal or illicit items that we need to come. So we are going to touch light on that so that we can actually stop that act. We need to stop it. It's embarrassing, and we're not so comfortable with it. He's a fake soldier. He's not a military personnel, but I can see how fully kitted this guy can be. It's a message to all of us, and we need to take note of this, and we need to learn from this. Thank you. He's not having your card. He's not having.